Welcome back to ProfileTree's YouTube channel, where we are talking about all things within digital transformation. And as a company, we want to share some statistics with you that shows you the potential that implementing new digital solutions could do for your business today. So whether it be your desire to improve your internal operations by allowing technology to improve your productivity and performance, or you want to reach your customers in new exciting ways through the implementation of new digital transformation softwares, we can provide that service with you. But I want to start off by sharing some of these statistics with you that we found when we done our research. So as you can see here, the first three statistics shows you the grasp growth of digital transformation, where the global digital transformation market is expected to grow to 100 billion. Over 100 billion, that is, by 2025, and that's from 469 billion in 2020. And even in point two there, with the spending projected to reach 3.4 trillion US dollars by the year 2026. So I think them two stats in their own really shows that there is a massive desire for digital transformation, and it's something that a lot of businesses are really investing in. And I suppose those organisations with even an actively involved chief digital officer are 6 times more likely to achieve successful digital transformation. So even having them individuals within your workplace who understand transformation, understand what emerging technologies are on the market today, really gives your business an opportunity to grow and be successful. So as I mentioned then, this really shows the significance impact digital transformation is having on businesses all around the world. But I suppose you want to know why this is. Well, let's take a look at the statistics of the positive impact that digital transformation is having on us as business leaders. And as you can see here, Gartner asserts that 56% of CEOs say digital improvements has increased their revenue. So as a company who have dealt with digital transformation over the past year through an internal 2-year project, we can say that time saving and increased revenue is a massive factor of successfully implementing new technology to improve your business. As well as Adobe, suggesting that experience-led companies have 1.6 times higher customer satisfaction rates and 1.9 times higher revenue order value. So even in terms of customer satisfaction there, you can see that digital transformation and new technology is having a massive impact, a positive one that is, on that side of things of your business. And according to a survey by Alida, published under their previous brand vision critical, 39% of outperforming companies have a fully integrated digital physical strategy. So I think that gives me an opportunity to say that the importance of your transformation really comes down to the strategy that you're following. And I would encourage you to check out a strategy that we've come up with at ProfileTree while working alongside Ulster University, known as the easel conception model. If you type this in to ProfileTree's YouTube, you can find a full video on how you can apply this digital transformation strategy and framework towards your company. But I also want to say, if you do want to book a one-to-one call with me, I'm happy to talk you through this process and help you guide you through your digital transformation journey today. As you may be aware, ProfileTree offers services in web development, digital marketing, SEO and video, but we are also helping any business who wishes to achieve growth and scalability through implementing new technology towards their business. So if you want a business diagnostic completed to gain an understanding of your main goals and what technology is best suited towards achieving these goals, reach out to myself from the emails found on screen now, and I'd be more than happy to help you through this process. So I suppose we can say that businesses and the environment that they are operating in is changing massively, and like it or not, everyone will have to seek new technologies just to keep them on a level playing field with their competitors. And gaining a competitive advantage can be achieved by the likes of leveraging artificial intelligence and the automation through this, where even a study from Deloitte has recently found that over 50% of organisations are planning on incorporating the use of AI and automation technologies this year. So that's a massive percentage. And I suppose if you're not a business that is operating within that 50%, then you have the likelihood of being left behind. And as well as this, according to PwC's Global Artificial Intelligence Study, we can expect to see 45% of the 15.7 trillion in global economic gains by 2030 as a result of AI and automation enhancements. So you can see here, this is probably going to be the large proportion of technology that is completely changing the business landscape in the future. And we personally believe that early adoption is the key to ensure that these processes become well embedded into your business, where you can see return on investment while your competitors are still contemplating if they should implement new technology or not. Where over the past years, 70% of companies either had a digital transformation strategy in place or were working on one, which really shows us that not only the big companies who have caught on to having a digital strategy and becoming a digital first business is needed to grow, that also smaller firms are catching on to this, allowing them to also scale and outweigh their competitors in different ways. So I suppose that says that these digital transformation technologies apply to any business, no matter what sector or industry they find themselves within. And visualize yourself with maybe a new CRM system, a customer relationship management system that improves your relationship with your customers, or even a project management software system which really helps you improve your productivity and performance, or maybe even an ERP system, an enterprise resource plan system to manage all your resources in one area. Could you be doing with any of these technologies? And you really need to think about this. Visualize yourself with these technologies and visualize yourself in terms of your growth and what you could achieve by implementation. And even in saying that, every business around the world has one thing in common, and that is finance. Automating your financial processes will prevent wasting highly qualified staff's talent on data entry or price tracking. But before we finish up, let's take a look at some of the other statistics that we have found. So in other technologies, in terms of the cloud, Gartner published that the global public cloud services market was estimated to reach 257 billion, reflecting the growing importance of cloud technologies. Or even if we think back to the pandemic, when we seen remote working and collaboration take a massive impact, where 88% of organisations worldwide made it mandatory or encouraged remote working, with Gartner seeing that the use of collaboration tools such as video conferencing and team communication platforms surged massively, with some platforms reporting over 300% growth in daily users. Or even in relation to AI, in which we spoke about, many people, I suppose, have the persona that AI is going to take over a lot of jobs in the future, and we can probably expect this. But at the same time, I want to improve your confidence by saying that automation is expected to eliminate in around 85 million jobs, but at the same time, it will also create 97 million new ones by 2025, according to the World Economic Forum. Other technologies such as the Internet of Things, by 2025, this is estimated that there will be 30.9 billion connected Internet of Things devices, reflecting the increased integration of digital technologies in everyday objects. Or if you're a company that operates within the blockchain technology environment, the global blockchain market size was projected to grow from 3 billion in 2020 to over 39 billion in 2025, with blockchain adoption on the rise within many sectors such as supply chain management, finance and healthcare. So that was a quick summary of some of the statistics when we think about digital transformation, and even in terms of new technologies which are on the market today. So I hope you have a good indication, or even a strength and confidence, that if you're a business out there and you're not really investing your time and efforts into understanding what technology is going to radically improve your business for the better, then it's probably time to do so. And as I mentioned at the start, if you do need any support at all in doing this, in terms of looking at what technology is best suited towards your business and your goals, book a one-to-one call with me today and we can talk about this in further detail. That is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.